everyone, and welcome to another lesson. In this lesson, we've talked a lot about the JavaScript get date method, and we're also going to be talking about the JavaScript set date method. But before that, let's quickly take a look at the UTC Date Get method in JavaScript. Now, if you look at my screen right now, you can see some methods which is similar to the methods we've been talking about in JavaScript, but this times it carries the UTC as part of the method name. Now, when you come across something like this, do not fret. It is the same as having each of these methods written out without the UTC. So this get UTC date is the same as get date. Get UTC full year is the same as get full year. Get UTC month is the same as get month. Get UTC day is the same as get date method. Get UTC hours method is the same as get hours method. Get UTC minutes is the same as get minutes method. Get UTC second is the same as get seconds method. Get UTC milliseconds is the same as get milliseconds method that we have talked about earlier. Now, what does each of these does? The get date returns the UTC date. The get full year returns the UTC year. The get month returns the UTC month. The get day returns the UTC day. Do not forget that UTC is a universal time that is understood well by JavaScript for interpreting date. The get hours returns the UTC hour. The get minutes returns the UTC minute. The get seconds returns the UTC seconds. And the get milliseconds returns the UTC milliseconds. Now, the UTC method use UTC time. Now, each of these methods that you see here, they use UTC time, which is coordinated universal time. That is the meaning of UTC. Now, the UTC time, which is the coordinated universal time, is the same as the GMT, the Greenwich Mean Time. So that is another time zone that the countries of the world made use of. So where you see UTC, it is the same as where you see GMT, the Greenwich Mean Time. So the difference between local time and UTC time can be up to 24 hours. Like we are already aware that the different countries and states of the world use different time zones. So a place where it is morning in another place, it might be in the evening. A place where they're in the middle of the night in another place might be their own afternoon. So there will be a difference that can be up to 24 hours between local time and UTC time. And aside from this, I also want to talk about the get time zone offset method. So this is another method. The last one I'll be talking about for get date method. So the get time zone offset method. The get time zone offset method return the difference in minutes between local time and UTC time. So let me quickly show us an example of what that means. So I'll pull up my editor again. This time around, I'll wipe what I currently have here. I'll put a comment. The get time zone offset method. So this is the last method I'm going to be talking about. So this way, let me make a new date object. And I'm going to use autocomplete because of our time. Now, take a look at what this is right now. I am making a current date using the new date object. And I'm passing in the get time zone offset method. And you can see that here I am getting minus 60, which means that the time zone difference between my local time and UTC time is minus 60. So this is how the get time zone method, this is how it works. It allows you to, get the difference in minutes. So the minute difference between my own local time and UTC time now is minus 60 minutes. So which is equivalent to an hour, which means that I am lagging behind by an hour compared to people on that UTC time zone. So this is how time zone works in JavaScript. And also a quick reminder is that UTC and GMT are the same. So the Continental Universal Time and the Greenwich Mean Time are both the same. And also clearly understand the fact that different countries of the world use different time zones. So times are not the same. Time is not universal all over the world. Although we have 24 hours, time is universal, but then time zone is not universal. We have some that have GMT, some are on UTC, some are, Pacific, Asia, and some other things like that that makes time different in different country and in different city of the world. So this is the last method about JavaScript get date method. So from here we are going to be moving into the set date methods in JavaScript, just as we have for get date, we also have for set date. So instead of things like get day, get hours, get minute, it's now going to be set day, set full year, set hours, set milliseconds, set minutes, as we will definitely see in the upcoming videos. Thank you, and do not forget to practice to get a clear understanding of all you've been talking about. And even when you are confused sometimes, nothing stops you from checking out things online to have a clear understanding of something, and also for you to be able to internalize the demonstration and what you've talked about concerning a particular topic. Thank you. And in the next lesson, I'll see you and we'll pick up from where we stop. Well, before that, just a quick recap. Like I've said that UTC time is the same as GMT time. And don't forget, one important key to this date object we've been talking about is that date object is static. It's not moving. It's not running. That is very important when working with date object in JavaScript. Thank you, and I'll see you. Enjoy.